Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to find SMTP details inside the Hostinger. Now once you head to this website hpanel.hostinger.com, so once you're at this page, so on the left side you will see multiple options like home, website, domains, horizon, emails, VPS. So you will see all these options. So just go to this section called emails, and once you click on emails, so you will see a list of all the emails that you have in your Hostinger account. Now I will attach a screenshot of, as I don't have any active email. So once you click on any of the emails on the left side, just in front of this or these options, so you will see multiple options regarding to this email. So just scroll down and go to this setting called connected apps and devices. And once you go into the setting connected apps and devices, so you just need to scroll down and you will see this section called configuration settings. And once you find this option called configuration settings, so as you can see, like inside this, configure your email client using email server. So you can see your protocol, host name, port, and SSL TLS as well. So that is the section where you can find the SMTP of your like hostinger inside the hostinger. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.